Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on redoing the book cover for a junk journal that I had made. I got all the signatures set, I made this cover, and I got it together and I thought I don't like it. I just said I don't like it. I don't like how there's extra room right here. I don't like how it's flimsy, and it's just, I don't like how it looks. And how I figured it out, here's my 3 signatures for it. So I'll probably still have that big of a binding, this thing. So that's the spine. Hello. I'll probably still have that big of a spine. But yeah, I'm going to make it to fit a little bit better, and I want to give it more space right here. So I got my supplies out, and I'm going to take the biggest, the one that's the furthest one out, my signature, which is this. It's cool map paper. Another thrift store find. And then the first thing I'm going to do, and I kind of already started, I'm going to line this guy up here on my measure mat. And I'm going to take my paper. I did some cool coffee dyeing on that. It took some of the color off of here and ended up, it kind of bled. Alright, so what I'm making for the cover, it's going to be, and I'm just doing the measure of the page right now, and then I'll figure out, I do the spine, this extra section right here will probably be the spine. Yeah, so I line it up. Okay, and then I draw a line here because that's where I'm going to cut. And I also made it so I have 1/4 inch here and a 1/4 inch over here. Okay, does that make sense so far? So far? Might as well put a line here because I'm going to end up cutting down here as well. Got my handy dandy trusty Wyoming School of Nursing ruler here. Why not? Okay. Some tape too. I'm gonna need some tape. Get my big Mamma Jamma cutter nice and straight. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. And I can see already it's gonna be crooked. Oh well. We'll see how it turns out. You know, I try not to overthink things. There's some things that you kind of really need to pay attention to when you're making things like this. Okay, that's there and there. So, oh, I'm gonna need to cut this in half, aren't I? Okay, come on now. Here's the test. Oh, see? Still not right. Still not right. Can I live with that? Nope, I can't live with that. But I think I can just trim off the smidge right here and call it good. Oh boy, I don't know what this is gonna be. Okay, you guys. Tell me I'm not the only one who screws up stuff like this. Tell me, please. I need some support, affirmation. Validate my mess up. Oh, this is not like the videos where I see everybody just whip through this like they've done it a million times. Well, I've done it enough, but I just, honestly, why is this giving me such a hassle? And then, is that too much on the top? I think I'm going to trim off the bottom quarter a little bit. I'm not going to have that much on the bottom. Let's see. That's a 5/8. I'll go down to that 3/8 mark. So 3/8 mark. Okay, now watch this be off. Straight there. Straight there. Okay, I'm calling that good. All right, so now I've got this. think that's about 2 inch. That's about a 2-inch thing. And I need to make sure that this and this are the same. Right. I have the other scrap in case it is. No, that should be fine. Yeah. Then, that there. Double check here. Yeah, that's a lot better. Is now when I made this one, see how little space I put in between. I'm gonna make sure that I give myself about that much in the middle. Okay, because that was just not enough. So what I'm going to use is just masking tape. Now look at, that's all wonky, isn't it? It's not straight. Move this up here a little bit. And then I'll put the tape in the middle. How's that for a plan? Let's use this. My mom would say, or my grandmother actually, too soon old, too late smart. And my grandmother on my mom's side, she was a crochet person, and my goodness, she, well into her 80s, was crocheting, and she made all of her grandchildren crocheted the Lord's Prayer, and it's like the size of a twin bed cover, and it's gorgeous. I did not inherit that. My mom didn't crochet. She did cross stitch. See what I'm doing to this now? This is all kinds of crazy wrecked stuff. It's all going to be covered up, so I'm not too worried. Okay, so that is better. So I'm just going to eyeball it here and give it a little bit of evenness. I don't know what I did. Let's make this top inside. Okay, so that's going to be like that. Okay. That makes me a little bit happy. And then I think the next thing I will do is cover it with some paper. This part's the easy part. I'm just going to use plain white. Neighbor's got the horses out. Double-sided tape to run a line all the way down the edge of this. Good. Good. I'll bring my big cutter over. Just gonna eyeball this as well. I want that line, this to be in the middle of here. For scraps, for scrap stuffs. So like that. Okay, I'll just eyeball it with my scissors. And about 1 inch both ways around. Try not to see how parallelogrammed it is because I'm looking at it and I'm thinking it's not even. Nope, it is not even. I think what I will do is glue. I'll use my Fabri-Tac. Just trust it. It's not going to go anywhere once I Fabri-Tac it down. Glue. Is cut the miter the corners. And leave a little bit of space so you can cover up that the actual corner. Well, that might, ooh, that's a little much. Pay attention, Liz. Pay attention. Gonna get covered up, so I'm not too concerned, because it was time for that. Skip the fuss, right? Skip the fuss. Oh yeah, that's really bad. Oh boy. Let's get some grooves in here just to help turn those edges a little bit. But anyway, looks good right there. There, if you don't look on the inside, actually, I'm not crazy about it out here either. What do they say? You are your own worst critic? Tell me about it. That's why we cover these things up. Okay, so that's what that's about. And then I'll probably cover it up in the middle with something. Okay, so I think you learned what to do, what not to do. What not to do. And again, maybe with yours, I didn't tape down this side, did I? So with yours, make sure that you tape down both sides and be a little more careful there. And again, this is the top. I have it written here, but I covered it up. So do a lot of these things that I've done wrong. Do them right, because now you know. And hey, if it makes you feel any better that I'm not perfect, God bless that. So anyway, all right, that's what I'm gonna leave you with right now. And I'm gonna do some more on this, and then I will probably do some more videos on it as it progresses. Cool. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. God bless everyone.